Wow, what a sight. This is out of a suburb of Richmond, Virginia, earlier on Monday as a few tornadoes ripped through portions of the state, all parts of the remnants of Hurricane Florence, after it dumped 10 to 20 inches of rain and 30 inches of rain in spots that produced severe weather today. That was definitely an impressive tornado captured at close range right on the side of the roadway there from Virginia. From that videographer, I'm meteorologist Brian Ivy, and we have a ring of fire pattern setting up. So that means a dome of high pressure, warm and dry air across a good portion of the country, bottling any systems well towards the north. So you can see here on the Futurecast how that's really going to affect the weather pattern. Mainly dry here, but a different story across the northern plains and the upper Midwest, as we'll have multiple rounds of rain and thunderstorms by harvest time. The early portions of that could be some strong storms up near Fargo, North Dakota, Minneapolis, Minnesota as we close out the week. Otherwise, again, it's going to be pretty dry across another good portion of the country. We will be really turning on the heat across portions of the Midwest and the Great Lakes in towards portions of the Tennessee, Ohio valleys. Little different story. The northern plains back into the interior Northwest, finally seeing some signs of true fall weather creeping in as we continue to go through the end of the weekend into eventually the beginning portions of the next week. This system will be something to be talked about. Lots of rain with that moving up into Canada and portions of the Great Lakes. Some rain showers will filter down across Texas into Louisiana, and we'll see a little bit more of an active pattern once that ridge breaks down across portions of the southeast going through the weekend, and still some more residual rain up across portions of Minnesota and Wisconsin in towards Ontario. So a little bit more active of a pattern. That's going to be with the cold front, and that cold front is going to bring down some really nice cool air. We're talking very chilly Canadian air by the end of next week. So the Thursday, Friday time frame, it's going to be feeling 5 to 15, maybe even 20 degrees below average across portions of the plains. Still warmer out across the I-95 corridor, but this is a good thought to kind of get you ahead of things, prepared for the winter season of snow and ice management. You know what else you need to be prepared? Accurate weather information. Head to NeoWeather for the answer.